Hi everyone. So for today's class, we have another work from home yoga series, but we are going to focus on the neck and the back. Okay, so I know a lot of us are working from home right now, so I hope these stretches will feel good for you. Okay, so you will stand up from your chair. All right, and then once you're standing up, you can do a few hip circles first before we add on to the movement. Okay, and then you can go the other direction. Okay, and another one of my personal favorites is doing the figure 8 at the hips. All right, now if this feels good for you, by all means stay, do the movement for as long as you like. All right, when you're ready, shake it off. Okay, and then from here, we're going to reach the arms up. Reach the arms up high to the ceiling or to the sky. And then as you exhale, you're going to fold forward, dive forward. You can even round when you get there. Okay, and then from here, you can hold on to your elbows. Okay, maybe you'll swing gently the head up and down, maybe side to side. Okay, maybe you'll swing your body side to side. Okay, so I know we'll feel this more at the back of the legs, but in my body it also feels good for the back, just to fold here. Okay, and then from here we'll release the hands down, bend the knees, and then you're going to walk forward into plank. Okay, just to get more if you're feeling maybe sleepy from or tired, maybe from your meeting or from being seated all day. Okay, so doing a plank would really, well, to be honest, wake things up a bit. So draw the belly in. One more breath here. And then from here, you can push back into downward facing dog. Okay, or you can start to walk the hands back. Okay. And then from here, we're going to roll all the way up, and then maybe you reach the arms up, maybe you look up, maybe you even lean back, and then hands back by the sides. All right, we'll shake it off again. Next round, inhale, we'll reach the arms up. You can look up, exhale, we'll reach down. Okay, now this time as we fold, look forward, we'll come forward into plank pose again. Right, breathing in and out, belly draws in. Okay, we won't be here very long. And then from here, you'll walk the hands back again. Okay, we'll roll all the way up. Okay, and then this time, as you reach the arms up, you can look up. Maybe you'll interlace the fingers behind. Okay, now for this round, I'm going to face, I'll face the camera. Okay, and then you'll just draw the shoulder blades back. Okay, and then we'll get into some neck stretches as well. So from the side, either hands are behind the hips or you can move the hands away from the bum. Okay, we'll hold that. And then from here, just going to bring right ear to right shoulder. Okay, maybe hold, come up, and then left ear to left shoulder. Maybe we'll hold, we'll come up, and then maybe do a few movements. Maybe you look over the right shoulder. Maybe you look over the left shoulder. And then from here, we'll release, we'll shake it off. Okay. And then we'll come back again. Next round, we'll reach the arms up. You can look up, and then exhale, we'll reach down, dive forward. You can circle the arms. Okay. As you look forward, we'll come forward into plank pose again. Okay, now if you want a little bit more from your plank, you can do alternating leg lifts. All right, you can do a hold on one side. Okay, or you can do as many as you like. Okay, and then from here we'll walk back. Okay, we'll rock up again, we'll roll up, take your time. Okay, reaching the arms up, maybe lean back slightly, and then exhale, hands back by the sides. All right, we'll reach the arms back again. Okay, breathing in here. Now, I'm going to move to the center. Okay, now if it felt good to, again, move the head, go ahead. All right. Okay. Now from here, okay, we'll keep the shoulder blades drawing together, and then we'll just add tiny twists. Twist to one side, twist to the other side. Twist to one side, and then twist to the other side. Okay, so you can do this a couple of times. Maybe you'll do a hold. Okay. So I'm holding, twisting, turning towards the right as I try to keep my keep my hips forward, and then we'll turn to the left. Okay, so notice the turn might come more from the neck. All right, now if you need it more for the neck, go ahead, rather than turning from the trunk. Okay, one more breath, and then from here we'll shake it off. All right, we'll do one more set of coming down to our plank. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up, you can look up. Exhale, we'll fold forward, you can take your time here. We'll come forward into plank pose. Okay, just walking the hands forward, draw in here. Okay, now if you still want a little bit more, you can add your chaturanga here. Okay, or you can modify your chaturanga by bringing the knees down. Here, reach the chest forward, and then maybe you'll slowly come all the way down to the mat. Okay, if you want a bit more for the back, maybe you'll lift up to your cobra, okay, or maybe you'll come up into your up dog. And then you'll make your way back into downward facing dog. Okay. Now, as you stay here, you can wiggle the hips side to side. Okay. You can bend one knee and the other. Okay. Maybe hold one side. Okay. And then when you're ready, okay, we'll walk the hands back again. Once you're standing on your feet, we'll slowly roll all the way up, just rolling the spine up. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up. You can look up, and then exhale, hands back by the sides. And then you can shake it off, shake it off. Maybe you'll do a few hip circles again, just to get that sensation of blood flowing, or maybe fresh blood, you know, and help us with the rest of your meetings, or help you with the rest of your day. So, namaste. So I hope you felt rejuvenated after that short sequence, and you got a good stretch from for your back, and some nice stretches for your neck, and that can help carry you on through your day or to your next meeting. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.